fellas. It's been a while. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. What are we going to be doing today? I know what we're going to be doing today. Something very cool. Haki, first to join. Long time no see. It has been a while. And I am happy to be back. I've been fixing bugs. Man, I've just been fixing goddamn bugs to get this game ready for alpha so I can send to you guys on the Discord. And I think it's at that point. Oh, hello, Gamedev Dirtfall. Very interesting name you got there. Never seen you before either. But anyway, one major thing that I did add or did change is, I'll show you, is the meme info. So every meme now has this little, oh, you can't see that. I'll try and put it higher up. So this little button up here with the eye, if you click on that, it shows you meme info, and it shows you all the memes that that item is made of. So most, or a lot of memes will just be made of one meme. But, for example, Mimorank Man, if we search for him, he's made out of Meme Man and Orang Man. So, you know, kind of makes sense to split it out. And this allows for so much more creativity, because now, before, the system was that each item was one meme. But now, each item can be as many memes as I want. So, yeah, I can go to town with this. I can make these meme monsters that comprise of like 10 or 20 different memes just like spliced together. It's going to be a lot of fun. But that's not what we're going to do today. What we are going to do today is add an item that lets you slow down or speed up time. Yup. Yep, I want to get this done nice and early because I feel like it's something that could be quite game breaking. So, you know, it would probably be a good idea to implement it early rather than later. Because, you know, we're literally slowing down the global timescale. We're doing time.timescale and setting that equal to some floating point number. So, sexiest game of all time? Hello, Plankter. You are correct. So, yeah. So, I mean, most of these... Yeah, Magusta is comprised of the text and the derpy face. You know, it's good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. Oh my god, those gizmos are absolutely massive. You know what else is massive? Your mum. Got to them. Obtained them. Woo! Okay. I hope when I scream it doesn't rip headphone users, because that would be kind of sad. Danny joke, yes. Oh, man, don't remind me about Danny. Gosh darn Danny. SCP, hello. Hello. I was just showing off my epic new meme info system. Ah, another one, Cheems. So, normally, Cheems is just sitting there like this, but then when you get near him, he turns into an absolute swole doge. First time you watch the stream? Well, welcome. You have stumbled upon the best stream of your life, Dirtfall. So let me show you what I mean with Cheems. So if we put Mimorang Man over here, so he's little, he's tiny, and then you walk up to him and he becomes fucking swole as fuck, and he tries to hurt you with his hand. As you can see here, it looks quite sexual. Was it your suggestion? Oh, I forgot. Well, if it was, then great suggestion. He's absolutely gigantic. Anyway. So, Okay, so what I was thinking, right, for this for this item that will speed up or slow down time. And by the way, the user can configure this item to make it slow down by however much they want or speed up by however much they want. This will be a setting that the creator of the level can decide for their own level. So level builder, let's go to the level builder scene and figure this shit out. So I've got some ideas as to what the meme can be for this item that will slow or speed up time. And I'm thinking, right, the only meme, okay guys, do you guys know any memes that are related to time? Because the only meme I could think of that's related to time is "it's time to stop." And it's just Filthy Frank, like, with a massive clock saying, "it's time to stop." So I'm thinking like, yeah, something like, wait, I've written down the exact idea when I had this brainwave. Can you change how many lives you have in game? You can change how much starting health you have, so you can make the starting health like really high. I don't know how high you can make it. How high can you make it? I also added this loading screen when you enter, so while the game is initializing. Starting health can be between 1 and 3.402823 times 10 to the power of 38. So yeah, it can be quite big, but there are no lives, but you can restart the level. Like the pause menu has, okay, well normally the pause menu has an option to restart the level right here. It's not showing now because we are in the level builder, but why does the screen look zoomed in? Man, everyone keeps asking me that because I zoomed it in because I'm such a nice guy, because, you know, you guys watching on your mobile phones. By the way, do you like my mobile phone case? It's kind of hard to see like tiny little buttons and UI elements from Unity, so I zoomed it in for you guys. You're welcome. Hello, AM9230. Haven't seen you before. I like your profile picture. Perry the platypus with a fedora. Skeleton meme. What's a skeleton meme? Like the spooky, scary skeleton sends shivers down your spine. Ah. Oh my god, I think the dog is going to start barking loads. Okay, fine. I'll add the skeleton. Spooky, scary skeleton to the ideas list. Oh, it's not spooky, scary skeleton. Dancing skeleton. I feel like I've added this skeleton. Oh, this. I'm pretty sure I've added it. Dancing skeleton. Oh, I haven't. Okay, I'll just add it. Dancing skeleton. How old is this meme? I'll write here. Suggested by SCP and Plank. You can't open my first game. Which phone? Android or iOS? That's kind of concerning. I should probably test that. Android. That's kind of sus. You know what? I'm gonna turn on my Android phone I got here for testing, and I'm gonna try it out and see. Just needs a second to turn on. Okay. Anyway, where is the idea? Some timer thing to control the speed of time. Do this next. Okay. Could be Papa Franku. It's time to stop. Yes. Do this now. No. Now. Next thing. Blah blah blah. Adding a shop to my game. Oh my god, I cannot add a shop to my game. Feature creep is the root of all evil. You would know if you watched my video. What's the skeleton roasting meme? Oh, Can, what's up? Nice profile picture. I am back. Whoa. Oh shit. Damn, imagine getting roasted by these guys. Shit. That would be fucking terrifying. Okay, let me download Meme Game and check if what thingamabob Niso was saying is legit or not. Because, to be honest, it should not be broken. And it would be kind of sad if... What phone do you have, Niso? Why am I so underrated? I don't know, ask the YouTube gods. Ask Susan Wojcicki. That bitch. She's not a bitch. I'm gonna add her to Meme Game one day. I'm gonna get her to design herself as a character in Meme Game. Oh my god! Okay, give my Huawei P20 Pro a second to stop lagging the fuck out. Okay, it stopped. Oh no, it started again. Okay, so I reckon the meme is Filthy Frank. It's time to stop. Do any of you know any other time-related memes? Because
it's time to stop.
That's the only, like, it doesn't even really make sense because he's saying it's time to stop, but the item is gonna let you slow down or speed up time. It's not gonna stop time. So, but like, it's the only meme with like a clock that you can like visibly see will like obviously change how like time will progress. So, Ye Olde Meme Game 2 is being searched for on the Google Play Store. That's mad. People are so hyped. It might just be your phone. I hope it's just your phone because... Yeah, the guy who said he'll add me in his video, I think he's just, like, he's done a Danny, to be honest, at this point. He's, it's rewind time. Ooh, it's rewind time. Oh, but rewind, I feel like rewind is even less related to what the meme item is going to do, because it's not going to rewind. It's going to change time. Although that is a, you know, that is a good suggestion. I'm going to write that down. Hacky hits rewind time. Also, like, is there like a obviously visual, because this is like a sound meme, but I think it'd be better to have like a visual like clock sort of, like I need a meme with a clock in it, because like when you look at it, you need to know instantly that it's a right. Okay, I'm gonna play meme game. Let's see if it's broken or not. Russian kid screaming "Bliat" after his house in Minecraft gets destroyed. Will Smith slapping. Oh yeah, no, I've already got the Will Smith slap. Of course. How could I not? How could I not? Galaxy A21. Alright. Is that good? I thought the Galaxy A21's... Wait, that's really good, isn't it? Oh. You know what? It crashes instantly on my phone as well. Oh, that's really annoying. I'm gonna have to fix meme game. How did it get through the Google Play Store review if it just crashes? Oh, that's so annoying. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, no, that's meme game 2. Ye. Oh, I just closed the tab with all the chat. Ye. When I search for Ye Olde Meme Game on my phone, it does not show up. Did someone actually have to play test meme game? Oh lord. Yeah, you guys are going to play test meme game too. If you join the Discord. If you haven't joined already, make sure you're there because I'm going to release the alpha very soon. So, I'm literally searching Ye Olde Meme Game on my phone. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna fix this later. I'm gonna look into this later. I'm gonna write myself a little to-do. Ye Olde Meme Game 1 crashes straight away on Android. Thanks, Niso. That's not how you spell thanks. That's literally a different word. Am I dumb? Thanks, Niso. We'll do a gameplay stream at some point. Well, I'll play you guys' levels. And then I think I'll just like include the best levels in the actual video that I make from the stream. Alright. So we need to get this lovely HD green screen into meme game.
It's time to stop. It's time to stop, okay? No more. Where the fuck are your parents? Who are your parents? I'm gonna call Child Protective Services. It's time to stop.
I didn't realize it was this long. Okay. What should it actually do specifically, though? The Ye Olde Meme Game, like, the touch controls, like, are just bad. Yeah, the controls are pretty shit in Meme Game 1. I made it in a really bad game engine. I made it in Game Salad. It's atrocious. Absolutely atrocious. Zawarudo. What's that? So, I think what I need to do is I need to download this, put it into After Effects, remove the green screen, and then export it as a PNG sequence, and then drag that into Unity, and then drag those images into the animator so that it will animate. But, okay, so what's the idea going to be? Like, he's just going to be, like, holding it, like... He could be holding it, and then when you touch him, when you collide with him, he plays the animation. He says it's time to stop, and that is when it changes the time. Or maybe, like, I don't know if I like the idea of him just being a static image until you pick him up. So, he could be, like, playing this, like, idle animation back and forth, like, rocking it back and forth like this. And, like, the speed he's doing this corresponds to how fast time will change once you've picked it up. So you know how it's gonna... Or should it... Maybe you shouldn't know. Nah, may as well tell you. Oh, no, I think it's more fun for the player not to know how fast time is going to change once they pick it up. But I still think you should have an idle animation. So I'm going to write this. I'm going to write this here. So Papa Franku, aka Joji, should have an idle animation where he just rocks the clock back and forth, but it should not tell the player how it will change time, because the surprise is more fun. Imagine if Meme Game was made in Scratch. Oh my god. That would be horrible. Hey Enchanted, what's up? What is up? I am adding Frank, Filthy Frank, to control time. So when you pick him up, he will control time itself. Okay. This is pretty HD. I think we can go with this one, to be honest. I mean, this is Filthy Frank's official second channel. Damn, he made himself into a meme. He's uploading his own green screens. Like, this guy is ahead of his time. 17 million views. So how does it work in game? Basically, you pick him up and it just, like, changes the time scale to whatever the user set when they made their level. So it's user configurable. And I think the mechanism is already working in the game. I just need something to trigger it to work. Pepe is not in the game. I really should add him. Toby VR, how is it going? Right, I'm going to go to my very own downloadasaw.com. I made this website with my friend. And it downloads YouTube videos. No ads. Highly recommend. If it decides to work, it's kind of embarrassing. It's not working. Okay, it is working. So we want the audio and the video, to be honest. Oh man, these HD versions take a long time to download. But you know what? That's fine. I'll just queue the download and hope for the best. Because it runs on a GitHub action, right? The download happens on a GitHub action. But this is a short video, so it shouldn't take very long. We'll see. Anyway, in the meantime, I can chat to you guys. The poo of 87. What does that mean? Thank you, Enchanted. You're my first non-me user. This is literally a moment. Last time I did something smart. Long time no see. How's it going? Drinking lemonade that's green. Isn't green lemonade just like that grim, like kale-infused, like health drink that all the fake self-improvement gurus recommend? Any Five Nights at Freddy's memes? I don't at the moment, and I think it's kind of risky because like the characters from Five Nights at Freddy's are already game characters, so it would kind of probably piss off the creators of the game if I added them to Meme Game. So I think FNAF ambulance meme. Mountain Dew. I have Mountain Dew. There's a swimming pool, a Mountain Dew swimming pool that Boomerang Band can swim in. What's the ambulance meme? Ambience. Oh, ambience. I'm so dumb. I search for ambulance. I can't read, okay? Reading is stressful when you're streaming. Oh, the sound. Definitely. I'm adding that to the list right here of meme sounds. Five Nights at Freddy's ambience to ambience sound. Thank you. Suggested by, you know, I'm gonna start giving you guys credit if I like your ideas. Arcan. Femboy in GIFs. I hope I don't get zucked. Right. Very cool. Very cool. Let's see if the download is finished. It has finished. My website works. Guys, Downloader Store works. And did it download successfully? Oh, that looks like a corrupted MP4 file right there. Oh. That. Oh my god, that's loud. You guys can't hear it. I can only hear the sound. There is no video from my merged. Maybe I need to do it in a different format. Or maybe I should just not use this at all. That's so sad. Let's try this again. Or maybe video only? Does that have HD? Ah! So video only has fast download. So, I mean, we're going to do the video and audio separately anyway, so that's perfect. So fast download just means all I have to do... Wait, hold on. These are both the same resolution, but one is like almost a megabyte smaller. I don't think I trust it. I'm going to download the bigger megabyte one because... I mean, it's the same file format as well. But, you know, the higher the megabytes, the higher the quality. I do know what a femboy is, fam. Famalam. Who doesn't know what a femboy is? What's wrong with searching for a femboy? It's not going to get me zucked, is it? Copy file name to clipboard. Link. Save link as. I'll just save it. It's time to stop.mp4. And then we will save the sound separately. So options, audio only. What are our options? M4A. We're going to convert it to WAV anyway. Because Unity likes WAVs. Done it. Polish cow. The UK government is now scanning every PC connected to the internet. What, so I'm not allowed to search for femboy? Also, that's not true. UK government isn't scanning. I should hope not. That'd be terrifying. I mean, I'm not searching for anything naughty, am I? Or am I? It's time to stop audio. Yeah. Whatever. A meme mashup. So you can have the Dito's chicken wings and Club Penguin is kill memes. Indeed, I'm actually planning on having a lot of meme mashups now. Shrek. Oh, Shrek is copyright. Sad. What's Dito's chicken wing chips? Oh, what the fuck? Doritos. I've never seen that before. This is actually like this might be a good way to get around the copyright of Doritos. Just Doritos. I'm gonna add that to my ideas, and then I'm gonna credit you, Enchanted. Suggested by Enchanted. B-Tech Doritos, just so I remember what it is. Alright. So now we need to open some professional software. After Effects, where we can remove the green screen and export it as a lovely sequence of portable network graphics. I love it. Toby VR, your emoji is just showing up as a square on the chat. D's nuts. Of course, D's nuts is already on the list. Classic. VPN. You know what? I don't care if anyone's spying on me, to be honest. It's not like I'm looking up anything sus. Ohio's where I'm from. We do Usain Bolt and run. England is my city. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, Olde Meme Game 2 assets. It's time to stop. Hold on. This didn't even download properly. Okay. Okay, the move atom? What the fuck is a move atom? Look at this. The move. Move. QZEQ. No, what's QZEQ? Use Windows. Why don't you shut the fuck up? Thank you very much. So, I need to re-download. I think this can't be a problem with my website, can it? Surely not. Video only. We'll try the we'll try this bad boy. Fast download. Maybe YouTube DL is broken. Or let me check my GitHub to make sure that it's still being updated. What's it called? Oh, no, I've got it in my... Where would it be? Downloadasaur. Download... Oh, it's Clapperone. Clapper... Oh, man, this fucking website is so small. I don't know where anything is. Here we go. Clapper2 Downloadasaur. So there's this action that updates... not Downloadasaur. There's this action that updates YouTube DL every 2 days, it seems. And it's been running just fine. So... YouTube DL should be on the latest version, so I guess YouTube is just like, you know, ahead of YouTube DL. Is he a good YouTuber? Yub. Who's Yub? I feel like quite a few YouTubers will play my game when it comes out. It's quite a... It's one of those games that, like, can easily become viral, you know? So... Dito's... Okay. Link. Let me just see if the... So that link works. Let's save this link as... it's time to stop 2. See if this one actually worked. Okay, so... This one worked. But the bigger MP4 didn't. I want my high quality shit though. That's the thing. Let's try it one more time. It's time to stop 3. See, this one takes a while to download and it can't be opened. Okay, fair enough, fair enough. So we'll just go with the smaller MP4 one. Good morning, Vietnam. Toby VR, these emojis you're sending are highly sus. Highly suspect. Export in Premiere and import. Yeah, well, I mean, I just dragged it into Adobe After Effects and it complained. So, I think Premiere Pro uses the same media encoder, the same underlying media encoder. But anyway, I got a working version now. So, let's drag him on in. Where did he go? Let's drag him on in to Adobe After Effects. Come on. Detect. There we go. No. Huh? Effect controls. How do I... File, import, file. It's because the screen is so small. Oh my god, what is this light theme nonsense? Get out of my face. Ugh. Grim. Okay, why are there 3 now? Oh, because I dragged them in twice. Okay, we just need 1. And then I believe it's new composition from selection. So, okay. So, cool. That is a bit big. There we go. That's nice. How do we green screen remove? Is there something to just remove the green screen? Keying? No. Key light? I think key light is the one. So I just use this picker to select the background. Nice. Okay, it perfectly removed the green screen because Papa Franco uploaded a lovely HD crispy version. So, is there a way to just view the background as a transparency grid? After Effects, show background as transparency grid. This thing.
And isn't transparent. Well, we know this guy isn't. It's going to be a solid rectangle, of course. But what about this red area? Well, the button that we're particularly interested in is just down here at the bottom of the composition panel, just here. It's called the toggle transparency grid.
Thank you, Toby.
You can see that. So it's
it's just a little button. The Mac icons for closing full screen and non-full screen are cool and colorful because I have eyeballs and they like colors. True. 69 mega is back! Ladies and gentlemen, what are we going to do with 69 mega? Should we just, yeet? I didn't even click the mouse. But he's been banned. I'm sorry, 69 mega. It's been great having you, 69 mega. I'm sorry you couldn't stay. Alright, transparency. Boom! Ah, it's time to stop. What? My man. Hand H. I just want to... Okay, we need to export him. I don't know how to do that. I should look it up. Or maybe, no, I should try myself first. Export. Export. Nah. Should I try it myself? I'm kind of scared. You know, okay, actually, I'll save this project. It's time to stop After Effects project. Render queue. I'll try render queue. Export to Adobe Media Encoder queue. Oh, render queue. Okay. Not Media Encoder queue. I'm dumb. This game won't be better than God of War. You could just leave the stream, quite frankly. Well, I think... Yeah, encoder... Let's first see if this has... Look, this is using media encoder behind the scenes, I swear. PNG sequence. Let's see if we can do it directly from here first. Because... Compression. No, we don't want compression. I just don't know how big it's going to be. Also, I can't see the bottom of this thing. I'm going to have to put it on my other screen. Okay, so we have a... Render settings is what we just did. Oh no. Frame rate. How do I set the frame rate? Because I don't want every single frame. Also, I don't want the whole video, actually. Let me cut down the video first, because we just want the it's time to stop. There. How much of it do we need? Oh, is render queue a pain? Okay, I'll try encoder. You can still duplicate in the render queue, I think. So, which point are we going to start and stop? So he walks in. It's time to stop. Stop already. Stop. I Can't believe this guy's Joji and he makes like sad boy music. Isn't that insane? Let's look at the original clip and decide how much we want of it, because I honestly don't know.
Where the fuck are you? To stop.
We need the audio.
It's time to stop, okay? No more. Where the fuck are your parents? Stop. It's time to stop, okay?
We could have the second it's time to stop, okay? It's because, like, okay, so say for example, Memoring Man comes and he picks it up. So, and then it slows it down by like 3 times. Then what will happen is, it's time to stop. It's time to stop, okay? Oh, look, I can just simulate it right here. Actually, the pitch will be shifted down as well, because that's funnier. No. We could also have the no more.
It's time to stop, okay? No more.
Although a lot of chaos will be going around. There'll be a lot of chaos. So having this drawn out might be a bit... Although, nah, I've got other things that are quite drawn out. No more. Oh man, this is so hard. It's time to stop. It's time to stop, okay? This is the hardest part about making this game, is the design.
It's time to stop, okay? No more.
Alright, let's try that. Let's try that. Up until no more. We'll see if the... Well, firstly, it's not too big of a file size. But secondly, if it just works. Stop. It's time to stop. Okay. No more. Then there. Okay, that's where we end it. So I think we just drag this till here. Was it this? I don't know. We'll just drag both. Oh. Whoa, microphone. I don't want it. Okay, cool. Render queue. Oh yeah, I was gonna use encoder. PNG sequence. Wait. Yeah, fuck it. You know what? File, export, media encoder queue. I just need to open media encoder though. I'm also gonna look up while this is opening. After Effects. Oh my god! What the hell? Is the time to stop meaning just slowing down the player's game? I'm just thinking of the Fruit Ninja Ice Power Up thing. Well, it can speed it up as well. It can be any amount. It can either slow down or speed up by any amount that the creator of the level decides. When he says it's time to stop the first time, it slows you. And the second time, it stops you. Damn. Then it doesn't really give the player that much control over their level. I want to give you guys the tools to do whatever you want. Alright, Toby, it's been great. Other than the spam. Ree! Alright, here we've got Media Encoder Queue open. Let me just drag him on in. And... okay, we can delete this. So we have a nice clear... oh my god. Don't ask again, I don't give a shit. I know what I'm doing. No, 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 don't open in QuickTime. PNG sequence. Where are you? Is there an option for PNG sequence? I don't even think there is. Oh wait, PNG. Oh, PNG sequence with alpha. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Shronk. Shonk. Shrek's weird uncle that likes little boys like Rethan. Why should I connect it to dynamic link? Okay. Presets with alpha. Oh, this window is not big enough. I'll do it on this screen. Video. There's no option to set the frame rate. Oh, the dog is trying to get out. Right, dog. If you bark, I'm going to bring you in here, and you're not going to leave. Okay? Say hi to little doggy. What do you have to say, huh? What do you have to say for yourself? I don't think little doggy knows what he has to say for himself. Right. You better not disappoint me. No barking. Right, yo. Doggy. Hacky dog. Damn. Okay, so I have no idea how to set the frame rate to export, but let's try first exporting it with the regular frame rate. See how big that is. So output. It's time to stop AME. Yeah, that's good. Alright. That is run the boy. Boom. It's happening. Guys, it's happening. The fuck is this shit? What do you mean the fuck is this shit? You're literally messaging from Discord. I'm adding it's time to stop. Killian? Salam. Why is everyone joining at the same time? What is going on here? Breakfast. Sorry, I have Tourette's. Whoa, that's not funny, okay? The outline. What? I hope Killian. Wait, Bo channel is Killian. Bottle. Bottle. Bottle of water. Alright. It's time to stop AME. That's a lot of files. Each file is 162 kilobytes. I think Unity can actually crunch compress these files down quite a lot to the point where it doesn't matter that all of our files combined together equate to a total of 172 megabytes. That's bigger than the entire game itself. There is no way. Oh wait, no, but that contains the After Effects project as well. Well, how big is the After Effects project? 119 kilobytes. Okay, so it's literally just these that make up 170 megabytes. How many? 200. 276 frames. And does it end at the right place? Oh wait, no, this is the start. Okay. So let's see if this is the correct slice. So it's time to stop. It's I don't even know if that's the right. What's the last set of frames look like in After Effects? Let's see. Oh, he has his hand out near the end. So if he's got his hand out near the end here. Oh. Yeah, that looks about right. And that's near the end. So yeah, it's the right slice. So the frame rate is just way too high. How big is each image? Oh my god, some of them are freaking almost a megabyte in size. And each one is 1080p. What's an acceptable frame rate? Because we can either reduce the frame rate or we can reduce the size, the resolution of the image to lower the file size from 122 megabytes. Dead chat. It's because bottle is being spammed. So damn. I can't believe each one is so big. I'm gonna look up how to reduce the size of PNG sequence. Reduce After Effects PNG sequence output. Size. How to optimize. We want to optimize. 24 frames is probably acceptable. Because also, think about it, it's going to be playing in slow motion as well. So it's going to be even lower frame rate when it's in slow motion, if it does go in slow motion. Okay, PNG images are going to be large. If there's a lot of detail, they're going to be larger. Big areas of solid color, reduce file size, alpha channels. Add additional file size because additional color channel. Trillions of colors. I don't want trillions of colors. 8-bit PNG files are smaller but use a lot of color information. There are no different compression options for PNG that significantly change the file size. Wait, so what's he done here? Maybe it doesn't need to be this big. 1080p. It's quite big. Take a look at the difference between the two reports on 10 PNG images. How big did I make some other images? Let's see. So let's take this. Bored Ape Yacht Club. Frame. No, we don't want the frame. We want the actual image, which I believe is a child over here. Yeah, so this is Reveal in Finder. 600 by 600. And that is expected to be very big. Because it's art, it's just decoration. So if something is expected to be very big is only 600 by 600, we could probably get away with making it less than 1080 by 1920. Like, Jesus. One of your friends made a 2-minute long movie and you have to make sequels. Nice. Only 4 gigachads left. Gigachads? I should add... There's quite a lot of chads, aren't there? A lot of different chads. It's going to be the highest quality meme in the game for real. Yeah, it probably will be. Okay, so what did he say to optimize the size? These two reports on 10 PNG images rendered in a sequence from After Effects. So these 10 images are 100 megabytes. And then that is 10 HD frames of this desert scene. It's 100 megabytes. The second is 10 frames of HD blue solid moving halfway across the frame. Okay. So I think we can actually, firstly, cut away all of this bullshit on the right and left, because he's only in the middle, and I feel like this left and right is probably, I mean, it shouldn't be increasing the file size, but I feel like it might be. So how do you crop in After Effects? How to crop canvas After Effects. I like
hey,
this
what's up? This
Google
is Caleb with
preview thing.
RocketStock.com, and in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crop in After Effects. Let's hop in. So to crop, all you have to do is select the region of interest tool down here. It's this little box within a box,
Region
and go
of
ahead and just
interest.
select the area that you want to crop. So we'll select that area just like that, and then if you wanted to, you could go in and adjust the box after you set it.
Okay.
Now all you have to do is go up here to Composition and crop comp to region of interest. After you do that, you'll have a composition with a new aspect ratio.
Very cool. So After Effects. So is this the region of interest? Where is it? Region of interest. It's just this, I believe. I think that he's contained the whole time. It's time to stop. Oh, his hand. Are we going to increase the size just for his hand, or are we just going to call it quits? Also, this is another reason to make it shorter, because it's so big. It's time to stop. I think it should just be it's time to stop. So his idle is going to be... this, maybe? Or maybe he could just be saying it's time to stop over and over again. Time to stop. It's time to stop. Yeah, okay. We'll do up till there. And that's a decent region of interest. Oh. Alright. So he's smaller. Let's see. Okay, first I'm going to delete all that horrible storage taking up valuable space on my computer. Boom. Bye-bye. Delete yourself. Okay, there we go. God, my M1 Mac. My M1 Max Mac. File, export, media encoder Q, and did it keep the same settings? Same output file? Out 1. That's that run. Can't wait for the game. I can't wait for the game. Join the Discord so you get the alpha in a few weeks. It makes sort of sense because nobody cares about the rest of the meme, really, because it's time to stop is the most memorable. Yeah, it's time to stop is like what I thought was the meme. So yeah, I think it's fine. I'm very lazy, and I just want to make sure I don't apply that laziness to meme game accidentally. But I think here it's fine. Okay, so it seems like it's finished exporting. So each image is still fucking ginormous. Oh, because I didn't crop it. Okay, but still, let's see how big it is. Get info, 91 megabytes. So we've almost halved it. We need to composition, crop, comp to region of interest. Cool. Now let's export that. I should learn this shortcut. Oh, there is no shortcut. You'll do it tomorrow. Yeah, it's such a hard chore to join the Discord, isn't it? You will forget. Show and finder. I just want to delete these because I'm always low on space on my computer, so let's just boom. Gosh. Who would have thought this would take so long? To be fair, it's been a long time since I've last imported a PNG sequence of images into good old Unity for Meme Game. So, you know, at the start it's gonna take a while. Okay, so he's much smaller now. The file size doesn't seem to be... Well, actually, I remember the ones around here were about 800 kilobytes. Yeah, it's not that much smaller. Same order of magnitude, really. So, we are gonna need to do something a bit smarter with our livelihood. And we're gonna have to match this up so like the frame rate matches the speed of the audio. Okay. I mean, he's quite low resolution anyway, so making the file size smaller isn't really gonna affect the resolution that much anyway, because like he do be kind of blurry. Yeah, that's okay. So if we halved it, okay, well right now actually what I'm worried about right now is the import size, just like the size of my project. I don't want that to be too big, but the actual size of these files in the game is going to be much smaller because of crunch compression. So I'm actually going to do a little experiment now. I'm going to see how much Unity can compress these images, because that is what really matters at the end of the day. Like, it doesn't really matter, although I don't want my project getting too big, like just from one meme. There's going to be thousands of memes. I can't let one meme take up 170 megabytes. But so there's a balance. There's a fine balance that needs to be found. So I believe I'm going to make a folder here in the project for my boy It's Time to Stop Filthy Frank / Joji. Create folder It's Time to Stop, and then let's just make a folder called art, because it is a massive sequence of peng images. A peng ting famalam. Write a massage at 2:30. And I wish I could write massages. I need a massage. Right, let's just import one bad boy that has quite a large size. This one's pretty large, 630 kilobytes. Drag him on into the art folder. And then over here, so here we can see how big it is. 0.9 megabytes. Unity, thank you for making the file size even bigger than the original file size. Absolutely great stuff. Crunch compression. Let's try crunch compression with compressed quality of 100. 140 kilobytes. That is impressive. Considering how good crunch compression is now reduced the file size by almost 6 times. What if we do compressed quality of 50? Okay, it didn't make too much of a difference. What if compression is low quality? 112. Okay, so that doesn't make too much of a difference. Is it acceptable for each of the frames to be around 100 kilobytes? Let's see. So how many frames do we have? 154. Let's do a little calculation. 154 times 150 kilobytes. Oh, no, that's and times is 23,000 kilobytes. That's 23 megabytes. That's not acceptable at all. So we're going to need to make him smaller. What other memes? Because the thing is, most of the memes I have in the game are rigged up. They're like individual sprites. They're not like frames, and then they've been rigged up. That's why they're so small. I think vegetals are actually the only sprite sheet animated thing. So I'll just apply that for now. Let's look at how big the vegetals are. Although the vegetals are kind of small, or expected to be quite small. Art, walk, vegetal, walk. So each one is 32 kilobytes, but there's only 15 frames. Man. Okay. This is a challenge. It's time to stop. Oh, I didn't even save the goddamn changes. Okay, compressor quality 100. Hey, what happened? It was literally like 100 kilobytes just now. Oh, because I have to change it to normal quality, otherwise crunch compression doesn't work for some reason. So 140 kilobytes. Let's do a little experiment, right? Let's see what happens if we reduce the file size to... Sorry, the image size to half. So that reduced it by about 3 times. Then we go back to Unity, see how much it's made the in-memory file size. Oh, it needs to be a multiple of 4, apparently. Alright. 512 divided by 4. That's a multiple of 4. What's the other one? 394. 394 divided by 4. Okay, that's not a multiple of 4. It's 396. 396 divided by 4. That is the multiple. Okay, we'll just for the sake of argument, we'll do it properly later, but make it a multiple of 4 so crunch compression can work. 52 kilobytes. Okay, so that is about a third of what we calculated before. And what did we calculate before? It was about 20 megabytes. So a third of 20 is 6-ish. 6 megabytes. That's still too big. Okay, how big do I want it? What's my budget? I mean, 6 megabytes for a meme, for an item in the game. That's not unreasonable, is it? If the game's going to be a few hundred megabytes, maybe a gigabyte tops. I mean, I'd ideally like it to be like maybe 1 or 2 megabytes. I think 1 or 2 megabytes is reasonable. So what does he look like in the game? Okay, I mean, he still looks fine. What if we reduce him even more? To maybe 300. Is 232 a multiple of 4? I wish Unity could just like do this on its own. It's like, come on, man. 21 kilobytes. So 21 kilobytes times, how many was it? Like 160 or something frames. That's 3 megabytes. I think that's decent. I think having the image be this size, and actually it doesn't even need to be 100% compressor quality. So we'll put that down to that. And half compressor quality, apply. Oh, it's literally the same. There's no reason to change it from 100 to 50. It like changes it by 1 kilobyte. What if I change it to R8? Oh, it's even bigger. Okay. Automatic. Right. 3 kilobytes, 3 megabytes for a meme. I mean, he's quite big here. Yeah, that's good enough. Like, he can be quite big as well. I mean, he's kind of pixelated when he's this big, but like his normal size is this, right? That's his normal size, and then in experimental mode, actually, even in non-experimental mode, I think we should let the user change the size of him. But yeah, I mean, it's not like we've got much of a choice anyway. Alright. You're gonna download it anyway. Suspicious man, lol. Hello. Very suspicious username you got there, not gonna lie. Okay, so we will change the size to something smaller. I don't know how to change the size in After Effects. File. Let's just look it up. When in doubt, look it up. After Effects, change size of canvas. Of composition, that's what they're called. Oh.
In this quick After Effects tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change the size of a composition.
56
Start by opening
seconds.
the composition that you want to change the size of. Select Composition from the top. Open the Composition settings.
Ooh.
Under the Basic tab, you will see the width and height. You can adjust the width and height by clicking on the value and entering in a new size. If the box on the right is checked, then the aspect ratio will be locked. This means that adjusting one of the values will alter the second. If you only want to change the size of one, then uncheck the box. Click OK when you're happy. The size of your composition will now be changed.
Ding! Okay. Composition settings. 256. I feel like that's a nice number. Slightly less than the 3 megabytes, because video speed changer user, I thought I was the only one. Video speed changer. Oh yeah, yeah. I always 2 times these slow ass tutorials. Honestly, they take so goddamn long. Frame rate. Let's make the frame rate a little bit less. Alright. Oh. Whoa. Now he needs to be reduced. Reduce yourself. Ah. Is that good? It's time to stop. No, he's being cut off. He's being cut off at the end. So he walks in. It's time to stop. Stop. Yeah, okay. I need to change the region of interest. I need to crop down the canvas to just one. Oh wait, actually. 196. Is 196 divided by 4 a whole number? It is, nice. So our crunch compression will work nicely. Okay. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Lovely. Alright, we can export it. Cool, okay. File. Export. Media encoder queue. The output. Let's delete all these, to be honest. I don't want to, you know, the space thing. It's all about the storage space. Why is your name so small? Like my... That's a good joke. You know why it's a good joke? Because I utilized that jocular in my previous video on YouTube. Therefore, you are smart. Right. Finished exporting. They are 63 kilobytes. It's kind of blurry. So how big is this whole folder now? 6 megabytes. Maybe it's too small. What happens if we drag in one of these into Unity and see how much we can crunch compress that shit? So this is about 60 megabytes, I think. Let's see. Yeah, 64 kilobytes. Sorry, not megabytes. That would be fucking terrifying. Hasn't been crunch compressed. Let's compress it. Damn, so that's gone down to 16. Which is actually about expected. Oh, man. This is so hard. How big should each meme item be? What's my budget? Like, come on. 3 megabytes versus 5 megabytes. We can make him small as well, like his starting size small. So you know he's meant to be a... Yeah. Because it's more about the clock. So you'll probably be about that big, default size. Alright. Alright, yeah, 3 and a bit megabytes. Let's commit to that. He's just so low res. Oh man, everything else is so high res in the game. What if it's... Okay, so let's compare them side by side and see at what point it becomes not acceptable. So that's a high res. That's a low res. How big is this? Size. This is 1080. I mean, that's still acceptable. And it's only 256. What if we make it half? Let's just half it until it looks bad. Ah. That is decent. Yeah, players can change it, but I'm talking about like the quality of the image. Because if the player makes it too big, then you'll start to see like all this pixelation. Hmm. 512. How big is it if it's 512? Is 394 divisible by 4? Nope. 396 should be 396 and not scale proportionally. 5112. Okay. How big is that? 52 kilobytes. So it's just over double the size. Or what if I give it like a lower crunch compression quality? What's the lowest crunch compression quality? Whoa. Oh, interesting. Okay, so crunch compression quality of 24 makes it 34 kilobytes. Let's see what the different crunch compression qualities actually look like. So 100% is that. Then 50% is that. 30 is that. Okay. So this is a large image that's got a lot of crunch compression. And the other one, this. Wait, that's the same image. What the fuck? Wait, oh, did I compress the wrong one? No, I didn't. Well, I'm confused. Wait, are they the same image? Ah. Okay, that's one. That's two. Okay. So one is large but is highly compressed. 2 is small but with much less compression. Let's scale them up to the same size and compare the difference. See which one is better. The third person watching, yeah, say something in the chat. Okay, you know what? To be fair, the image doesn't have a lot of color anyway. And I think the one on the left looks so much better than the one on the right. Like, night and day. So I think 512 is actually ideal. Because the one on the left, even though it's bigger, only has a size of 33 kilobytes. How low can we make it before it looks like absolute shit? So I'll say 5 megabytes is the allowance. So probably 30 kilobytes. Alright, yeah. So we'll do compressor quality 20. And we'll make it all 512. How about that? Hello last time. How many people are watching? Yeah, I haven't been doing anything very interesting, so I can imagine people left. Alright, we've got a plan. So the size is going to be 512 and the compressor quality is going to be 20. And that is going to give a file size of 32 kilobytes per frame, which means 32 times... How many frames are there? Oh, there's less frames now, actually, because it's a low frame rate. How do I select all of them? God damn it. 123. So 32 times 1, 2, 3. 4 megabytes. 4 megabytes. Decent. We'll go with that. 4 megabytes for this entire meme. Right. So now I'm going to have to change the size back. However that is done. Okay. Let's see. Composition settings. Composition. Let's make it 512 lock aspect ratio. God damn it, I fucked up. Composition settings, lock aspect ratio first, and then do 512. And it needs to be divisible by 4. I think 396 was divisible by 4. I just checked. Yep, it is. So it can be crunch compressed. Let's reduce that size. Like so. Oi. Hey. Make sure it's all in the frame. Walks in. Walks in. It's time to stop. He doesn't even need to walk in, to be fair. That's a lot of wasted frames. Ooh, actually, but the exit. It's time to stop. He could exit by walking out, maybe. It's time to stop. But then it'd have to revert the whole thing. Ooh, okay. So how about when the player comes close to him, he'll play the animation, stop, and then he'll just be like idling like this. And then when you pick him up, he reverts and goes all the way. Yeah, I like that exiting. Okay, yeah, we'll keep all these frames. Make them a bit smaller. You can fit a little bit better, you know. Hand tool. Make sure he's nicely aligned there. Bit lower. Nice. Okay, okay. Okay. Let's do this. Let's get this bread. File. Export for the bajillionth time. Add to Olde Media encoder queue. Output. We'll delete all these. Show and finder. Goodbye. That's a lot of... Alright. Save it here. It's time to stop. Make it shorter. It's time to stop. .png. Save. Let's see how it turned out. Hey. Oh, I have to run it. Run. You have the same profile picture. Oh, kinda, yeah. Just some guy smiling. Except one is Roblox gay, and one is not. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to call Roblox gay. Oh, but did I consider the... Oh, man. I didn't consider the size, the import size. 22 megabytes of my project. That should be fine. Surely. I don't know. This is so hard. This is so tough. Alright, you know what? No, I'll just go with it. If it becomes a problem later on, we can always change some stuff. 22 megabytes for a meme in the project, not in the final output of the game, I think is fine. Right. Let's just do it. How big can a Git repository be? How big can a Git repo be? It's my favorite meme. Oh, that's a hard question. Throw me some memes. This is bullshit. No file size or file number limit. But it won't manage large files to... under a gigabyte. Hmm. There's no limit on the size of the repo. Look at us. How do I have such good editing? Oh, thank you. I just cut out all the shit that is not super interesting or follows the story. It's a process you gotta learn. So okay, so 5 GB limit. $20 MB. At 75 GB, you'll receive a warning from your gate in your terminal. It's 100 GB. As of 2022. Okay, 100 GB, I don't think I'll ever reach that. Okay. Okay. It's not going to be a problem. It's not going to be a problem. If it is a problem, I want to see it myself being a problem. 22 MB. Should be fine. Should be fine. I have another video I have to edit. The fidget spinner video. It's in the backlog. Alright, 42 MB. Wait. Huh? What happened? Oh, it's still got all this bullshit. Haha. Oh, you should delete that. Bye! Alright, now it should be 20-ish. Okay. Whew. Drag that into Unity. Let's delete these bad boys. Delete these images that I temporarily dragged in. Art. Select them all. Bring them in like so. Right. Select them all. Max size 512. Crunch compression down to 20. Apply. And let the magic happen. Oh yeah, baby. Compress. Crunch. Crunch the compression. Mmm. Yummy. Okay. Now, each file is about 30 kilobytes. Lovely. Lovely. I'm very happy. It looks great. It just looks great. The power of optimization. Alright. I'm going to go take a little pee break because that is a milestone accomplished right there. So, I'll put on some lovely little TikToks for you guys to watch and learn about programming in the meantime. Programmer meme. Meanwhile, at WinRAR's company, when someone accidentally buys WinRAR. Yeah, boy, let's go! Stock price 29! There's something missing though. How will players around the world be able to find these published levels? What, you think their computer is just gonna download every single file and filter through them on their end? Do I look like I'm made of money? One day, little old me was perusing the Unity package manager when I noticed something out of the corner of my eye. What's this? 2D sprite shape? Sprite Shape Runtime and Editor package contains the tooling and runtime component that allows you to create very organic looking spline-based 2D worlds. It comes with intuitive configurator and a highly performant renderer. Wait, what? It's a runtime package? I can modify the 2D spline while playing my game? What is a function? What is it? Why? Who? It's piss. It's... oh my god, it's so easy. All it is a block of code you can reuse over and over instead of having to copy and paste the code every time you want to use it. So I made the simplest function you could possibly think of. Set the variable poo to 6 plus 9, set the variable ligma to poo plus 420, and then the final result is ligma. And then if I want to run the function, all I have to do is type the name of the function, some brackets, semicolon of course, and it'll run. And I can do this as many times as I like. I can do it here, I can do it here, I can do it here, I can do it here. That's pretty cool, but what if I want to run the function with slightly different values each time? I personally dislike how you always add 420. Well, functions has you covered. Just add this argument here, and then instead of 420, you just do the argument. And then I can call the function with any number I want. Look at that. Look at that. It's piss, mate. It's easy. That's all there is to functions. Oh, you! Zucky Zuck!
Is how we increase profits fourfold.
Mark!
Oh, whoa, what the hell? Where am I?
Over here!
How did I get here?
I have requested your presence to obtain an ultimatum about my metaverse implementation. What do you think, buddy?
This is blasphemy.
How?
I dislike the way you added those sound effects to make fun of me. I will now proceed to destroy your game.
It's all over. I'm such an idiot. I want my mummy.
Just one moment, please. I have just received word from my emotional intelligence sensei. She says I must act empathetic and provide you with another chance. So I shall. This is your last chance. Do not disappoint.
Do not disappoint. Alright, I'm back. Hope you enjoyed those shorts. Why is the frame rate of my webcam so low? Because I'm using like one of those shitty Chinese rip-off 4K HDMI video capture cards. I really should invest. I need to make some money. I'm indeed back. Back from the dead. Right. So a needle pulling thread. Let's commit our code, or not the code, the images, because it's quite a lot of images, 22 megabytes worth into the repository, and I want to make sure that goes through. How many files is that? Oh, each one has a corresponding meta file. That is quite big. Okay, commit message. It's time imported. It's time to stop art. Commit. And then VS Code Git is kind of sus when it comes to pushing to Git. So I'm just going to do it from the command line. Git push git commit. Look at that. Writing those objects. Right. Almost done. Almost done. 21.77 megabytes. That's what MIB means. Megabyte, not megabyte. And that's actually 1 megabyte is 1024 kilobytes, I think. Kilobytes or kilobyte or something like that. I don't know. But yeah, it's the more accurate one that people in the industry use instead of megabyte, because that's only 1,000, and they like being precise with their terminology. Right, so it looked like it committed no problemo. All 153 frames. Now we got to make a game object for the boy. So create 2G object sprite. You know, I'll just create empty. To be honest, it's time to stop. He will have a supper renderer. What am I drinking? Bottle of water in it, famalam. It's dank shit. Jokes, it's spicy water. It's vodka. Vodka! That's how I manage to stay awake during these streams. I just drink gallons of vodka imported straight from the motherland. Yes! Sorry, I'm not a Russian spy. I promise! Ah! Christ. Alright, so just for previewing purposes... Oh god, we lost it. We'll drag a sprite in, just so we can, you know, sort of get a sort of little vibe. Also, I need to change the size, the pixels per unit, so he's smaller. So I think maybe 1,000. Let's try that. 1,000 pixels per unit. I've got to do it to all of them. I'll just do it on one of them. That's not halal. That's alright, because I'm not Muslim. Also, it's just water. Am I a Russian spy? You know. Right, so let's match this so it's the correct height. So Memoring Man is average height. He's 5'10", as we've already established. We've pre-established this information. Filthy Frank. Well, how tall is Joji? 5'8". So Filthy Frank, with his legs, would be slightly shorter than Memoring Man. Shorts kings forever. And that means I think his legs would be about this. No, that's quite long for his legs. Yeah, he's around the correct height. I think his legs would go down to here, or maybe here. Maybe he's a bit small. Maybe I should make him a tiny bit bigger. So I'll change the pixels per unit to... Let's try 850. How about that? I should be doing it one at a time, so I don't have to wait for this thing to load. Sorry, guys, but it gives me a chance to read the chat, which is currently dead. It's dead. Af. Dead af. I'm so mid. Why am I so mid? Okay. So yeah, so if his legs go from here to like here... and then Memoring Man's 5'10", he's 5'8", then yeah, he goes up to about the right height on Memoring Man. Okay, so that's how big this thing will be. You're here. That's all that matters. You know, you're right. You're right. That's all that matters. I am so glad you're here to keep me company. Tell me about yourself. Let's get to know each other. Hey, babe. Actually, no. I don't want to get zucked. But... tell me about yourself. What are you studying? What are you doing with your life? I just assumed you were a student. So we need to... we need to provide some meme info. We need to do some research. You do nothing with your life. You do literally nothing with your life. That's magnificent. Do you play video games? Okay, let's create some scriptable objects. We need a scriptable object for the item data itself, and then an object for the meme info. So the meme item data, we'll just call it, it's time to start. And then let's just copy and paste this for the meme ID. The preview image could be any one of these, to be honest. What's a good preview image? One that shows the clock. Okay, it'll be easier to look through it in Finder. Play games. What games do you play? You play Clash of Clans. Wait, so he comes in. Time to stop. Shows the clock. I guess this is a good... I want one with action. 130 is pretty good. Let's just use 130. Frame 130. I gotta go back here. Then find frame 100 and... Oh my god, what's going on? Block, bly, goodbye. Minecraft. Osu, oh, you play Osu. I had a friend in school who was Asian, so he played Osu. Sorry, I'm being racist, but yeah, he brought in his like beast of a gaming laptop, and we would play Osu at break time. This was only for like a few weeks, but you know, I've got my mouse sense quite high, so I'm quite good at these click tracking games. Do you play Minecraft online? Are you in the Dream S&P? Do you watch Minecraft YouTubers like Tommy in it? It's crazy how big he's grown. Not tall. I mean, he's quite a tall guy, but it's pretty rare for an Arab to play OC. Are you assuming I'm Arab? No, you're right, I'm Arab. Yeah, it's a very Asian game. I don't know. Name. It's time to stop. How does he spell it here? It's time. Oh, he just spells it lowercase. We gotta respect the original meme. Yeah, it's time to oh no, the name of the meme item itself will be time warp. Time warp. Name alias. It's time to stop. Just in case they search for it from that. Top 48 in your country, damn. How old are you? What's your country? Name aliases. Oh, no. Menu category. It's just a pickup, to be honest. You just pick it up and it does some crazy shit. Saudi Arabia. Oh, you're talking about yourself as an Arab. Oh, wow. Fair enough. Habibi. Marhaba Habibi. Kifak. That's all I know in Arabic, even though I am Arab. I should know more than that, to be honest. Sensitive by your age. That's alright. You don't have to tell me. Or you could tell me. Are you above the age of 20 or below? I bet you're 40. I bet you're 48 years old, and each year you grow older, you drop 1 rank at Osu in your country. Meme info. We haven't made the meme info yet. So it's time to spot. Have we done everything else properly? Seems like it. Seems like it. Yes, true. Oh, I forgot what you said. I forgot what I said. It's time to stop. Let's create the meme info scriptable object so we can put in the data. Meme info. It's. I've got it in my clipboard. No, I don't. It's time to stop. Alright. See you in a second. Halal drink. Of course. Get yourself a bottle of water. Oh, it's time to stop. We can't have the same name. Meme info. Right, let's do some research. Let's check. Okay, so firstly, it's time to stop. The original name, it's time to stop. Name aliases, it has none. Meme categories. It is... Ooh, what meme category? Okay, let's do some research. Let's look at it on Know Your Meme. It's time to stop Know Your Meme. So, catchphrase, Filthy Frank. I feel like it was kinda MLG. Uploaded December 2015. So peak popularity will probably be sometime early in 2016. Oh, nice. What did you get to drink? What's your drink of choice? Is it KSI and Logan Paul's Prime, by any chance? I'm just doing some research on It's Time to Stop. What the hell? 2005? What? That can't be right. Filthy Frank, It's Time to Stop had its biggest peak in March of 2005. Was Filthy Frank even a thing in 2005? And then another huge peak in 2004. That is mad. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna ignore all that because I know he uploaded it here. So Jan 2016. Jan 2016 is the peak of popularity. So I'll put that in here. Dates of peak popularity. January 2016. 7-Up, nice. 7-Up's good. As far as fizzy drinks go, 7-Up's probably one of the best. Wait, Filthy Frank was around since... When did Filthy Frank start? Yeah, he died and became Joji. 2012? Yeah. 2005 is way too early. You know, he made the Harlem Shake. That's just mad. What a legend. What an absolute G. What a guy. This guy is Joji. Filthy Frank versus Joji. Absolute legend. He's just a different person. It's just mad stuff. Mad stuff. After they were Filthy Frank. Yeah, mad. Okay, it's time to stop. I feel like this is a dank meme. Maybe MLG is... It's time to stop MLG meme. I think so. He's a Giga Chad. Yeah.
To the Filthy Frank Show.
Yeah, okay, we'll do dank and MLG because it was around that era as well. I think it makes sense. Meme category, dank and MLG. Alright. The URL. Let's copy and paste the URL so that people can go straight to the Know Your Meme page directly from within a meme game. You're welcome. Okay, we need to add the audio. So the image preview is, oh fuck, I fucked it. 130, like that. The audio, we need to drag that in. Let me do the audio now. Let me add a little reminder here. Add It's Time to Stop audio to the meme info. Thank you. So this game is gonna be, I'm gonna release it to you guys in alpha just for you guys to test on my Discord. So join my Discord and you will be one of the first testers of the game, because it's actually, I spent the past, so the reason I haven't been streaming for the past couple weeks is because I've been fixing all the bugs, all the annoying, never-ending, endless bugs, so I can get it ready for alpha, and now it's pretty much ready for alpha. I just want to make sure all the bugs have been squashed, so I'm gonna wait a couple weeks and like just develop it some more, add some more memes, and see if any bugs arise, and if no obvious bugs have arisen, we're on, baby. So, Adobe Audition. Let's drag our file, our audio file of It's Time to Stop, down under into the good old... Where is it? I think it's this. Oh no, it's this. Audio. Put it in here. We'll do some stuff to it.
It's time to stop!
Did I add Big Chungus? I was gonna add Big Chungus, but then it turns out fucking Warner Brothers trademarked him for use in a video game. So, yeah, it's literally like on the most extreme end of the scale of am I allowed to use it due to copyright. So, unfortunately. I was going to actually, last video as well. Were you watching my last stream? because I literally started off like a couple streams ago when I made Mike Wazowski in the end. But I literally started off with a complete intention to do Big Chungus, and then someone told me he's been trademarked. So luckily I was told.
It's time to stop, okay? It's time to stop. It's time to stop.
It's time to stop. Okay. This is going to be kind of hard to match up. Where do we start? Where does he start saying it's time to stop? So I think his mouth opens here. Here. So around... So when you say it's time to stop, what point do you start speaking? So only when your mouth is fully at this position is when it actually starts. So let's do that. Let's put his mouth at the foot. Here. 2 seconds and 28 milliseconds is where we want to start it. So 2.2. So that's good. So delete all that.
It's time to stop. It's time to stop, okay?
Delete all that.
It's time to stop.
Cool. Save it as a WAV. It's time to stop.wav. What did you get up to today? Have you been playing Osu or Minecraft? Let's import the bad boy into Unity. Here we go. The WAV. How big is it? Let's make sure it's not too big.
It's time to stop.
Original size, a megabyte. Christ, that's big. Why is it a megabyte? What the fuck? Can I export it as something smaller? That's... How much is one of the, like, Ave Maria? How... The first thing... Oh, you just woke up. Oh, shit. Damn. Have you been subscribed or did it get suggested? Ave Maria is 29 megabytes. And that's 2 minutes. So... Stop playing! Okay. Oh, you're subscribed, nice. What point did you subscribe? What was your first video? Or did you come from TikTok? A megabyte. Why are WAV files so big? How big should a WAV file be? 10 megabytes per minute. So per second is 100th of that, or 60th of that, which is less than a megabyte. So our file is about 10 times too big, to be honest. Adobe Audition WAV size too big. Oh, how I made your dream game. You love the editing, thank you. I wish I could make videos like that all the time, but I can't. How big is like another sound effect? How big are the sound effects we've currently got? Let's see. Mike Wazowski. Mike Wazowski. The original size is 200 kilobytes, and that's literally like the same length. So yeah, and it's a WAV file as well. Like, come on, man. God damn it. Audition.
It's time to stop. It's time to stop.
Okay, this could be...
It's-
This is a bit loud, I'm not gonna lie. Let's amplify it by -6.
It's time to stop.
Mike Wazowski.
That's about right.
It's time to stop.
To be fair... Oh. What have I done? Ah! Why is my screen going back? Okay. Oh my god. When I click away... Oh my god, what have I done? I think I've changed the monitor settings. Let me change it back. I like pressed the keyboard combination and it just fucked up. Displays. Display settings. Extended. Oh, maybe it's Adobe Audition. Oh, fuck it. Should I just restart Audition? Yeah, okay, it was Adobe Audition. God damn it. Open. Yeah, so... Oh my god. View. Reset. How do you reset the view? Oh... Adobe Audition has this black... It's taking up a black window. Alright. Will I fix this? Oh, full screen, that was the issue. Oh, I didn't save my settings. Because this screen is too zoomed in. I can't see the OK button. I have to drag into the other one. Alright. Alright. Open recent. It's time to stop.wav.
It's time.
So, I want to reduce the file size. I also want to change how loud it is.
Time to stop.
Favorites, amplify. How do I amplify by a specific amount? Effects, amplify, -2, -2, yeah, -2.
It's time to stop.
Ah, fuck it, I'll just do -6.
It's time to stop.
That sets a hard limit of -6. That's interesting. Glad you're back. Hi back, I'm dad.
It's time to stop.
So, uncompressed. Okay, let's see what the issue is. No, audition WAV file too big.
Size of an audio file.
Short WAV file is big. Too big audition. You know, change the sample type, maybe. 16. What does that sound like?
It's time to stop. It's time to stop.
So this is 16-bit.
It's time to stop.
And this is 32-bit.
It's time to stop.
I think it sounds the same.
It's time to stop.
Oh, I don't want Firefox. Let's see what the difference is in bit depth. 16 versus 32-bit depth. WAV. Oh, that's about the dynamic range. Oh, we don't need 32-bit. Yeah, let's just leave it at that. 1,500 decibels. Yeah, this is not anywhere near that. Alright. Okay, now let's re-import that into Unity. What happened? So I was just trying to... Oh, with Audition, it went into full screen mode and it was making my monitor over there just completely black, so I couldn't read the chat. But it is fixed now and we are ready to go, Habibi! Alright. It's time to stop. Let's try this again. So, import size, how big are you? Oh, 0.5 megabyte, acceptable. Are these all the right settings? Let's see, Boo, Mike Wazowski, Vorbis, quality 77. So the import size is 39. I reckon the import size should be a lot smaller. I think 100 kilobytes, 150 kilobytes is not acceptable for 3 seconds of audio. So 50, 62 kilobytes. Optimize. That didn't do shit. Of course I know what Habibi means. It means my love. Habibi, Habibti. I told you I'm Arabic. My mum is Arab. She's from Palestine.
It's time to stop.
Yeah, 60 kilobytes is reasonable. I think we'll go with that. I just need to add it to the meme info. Boom. Did I add the meme info to the meme item? Nope. I'll just drag him on in. Nice. And then... Oh, wait. One thing I haven't done. Oh, no. I did remove the preview. Okay. I know. It's these eyebrows. People say I look like Borat. It's nice. My name is Borat. My wife, I'm a folk prostitute in whole of Kazakhstan. It's nice. I like. Sorry. When I say Borat, I have to do that. It's a rule. Hard written rule. Alright. So, we need to make our prefab for it's time to stop. We're finally making the guy. It's a lot of noise, but I don't care. So, we need a meme item component that I've already coded. Meme item. Yeah, it is a rule. Like, if I don't, then like, I get tortured by the gods. It's kind of sad, really. Can have sort order, yes. Only allow fixed aspect sizing, no. Prevent negative scale. Damn. Can resize in non-experimental. Yeah, why not? You're just gonna trigger over him, so... Reset, not respawn. Nah. Settings panel. We need to make a settings panel. But that's later. That's when we actually code the mechanism of the actual meme item. Why did my voice just break there? It's because I've been shouting into the microphone for like the past 69 hours. Christ. Okay. So, methinks let's put the item in the resources so we can actually preview him in the menu. So, resources. I should also stop streaming in a bit. It's been 2 hours. I gotta preserve my voice. Hey, you got there just before me. Yeah, I've been streaming for a good long time. Right, after I verify that he is working, that he is showing up in the menu, and that he looks good, which will take 2 minutes, I will end the stream and continue tomorrow. And I'll get to editing the fidget spinner video, because I actually quite like making videos. It's good to split it up, you know? It's time to stop. It's time to stop. It's time to stop. Look, it's telling me it's time to stop streaming. Meme items, resources, meme items. Whew. It's time to stop. Okay, let's see if he shows up in the menu. He should be in pickups. Eh, he's there. Meme info. Nice. Preview. Let me unmute the audio.
It's time to stop. It's time to stop. It's time to stop.
Nice.
It's time to stop.
Hey, oh hey. Now that you're here, I'm not gonna stop. You gotta keep me company. I'll get famous from all this hard work in no time, probably. Indeed. I think I'm gonna remove the gap at the beginning of the audio, because what I can do is just set an animation event in the animation, and then I can match that up to the frame where he starts speaking, and then hook that animation event up to a method that plays the audio, and it will be synced up. So I think that's better than, you know, importing it with disgusting delay at the beginning. So I will just yeet that on. Jorge, how have you been? How was your day, my guy? Jorge George Dre is my IRL mate. I actually have friends IRL. Isn't that crazy? I actually go outside. Anyway, delete this. And we don't need this at the end.
It's time to stop.
We can even delete a bit more, just to be a bit more accurate. You don't? That's a shame. How do I zoom in? Oh, like that. Oh, I guess George is no longer watching. Thanks a lot, George. God damn it.
It's time to stop.
Anyway. Okay, that's saved. Oh, you're alive. Oh, there's just loads of delay. Oh. You didn't abandon me. I was actually about to end the stream. Alright. Let's keep it alive. Actually, no, let's not keep it alive. Go fuck yourself. Alright. Unity. Unity. Why isn't Unity opening? Oh, Unity crashed. It's probably because I edited the audio file while I was, while I had it selected or something. Don't end the stream, end your life. That's actually a shout. That's actually such a shout. Why did I think of that myself? Why can't you just be on every stream, Jorge, to provide me with such useful ideologies? Alright. Unity's reopened itself. Drag him on in. And let's preview the audio preview and see if the audio is proper. Oh, now it's just broken entirely. Ah, What happened to the audio? Did I literally just
It's
bucket?
time to stop.
No. That's good. So then, did the meme item lose the reference? No. Did this lose the reference? Preview image. Je ne sais pas. Oh wait, it's muted. Haha, lol, Unity was muted. I am a idiot. Pickups, boom. Oh no, I don't want to spawn him. Did he spawn though? Oh, he did spawn. Look at that. Yeah, boy. Didn't even expect that. And he looks pretty non-pixelated. Decent enough. Oh, he doesn't have a collider. That's why I can't select him. But yeah, let's just check that.
It's time to
Nice.
stop.
Nice.
It's time to stop.
What's this? An item named nothing already exists in this location. It's time to stop. Maybe that's why it crashed.
It's time to stop. It's time to stop.
And then more info works. Nice. Okay. Just re-import this bad boy just in
It's
case.
time to stop.
Alright. Alright. Wait, I was going to do something else. Oh yeah, one last thing before I go is just quickly disable this annoying goddamn loading screen. If so when the game inits, it has a loading screen, but I don't want it to show if I'm on the level builder because I'll be testing. That's when I'm testing it, and I really just can't be bothered to wait for it. So bool has loading screen equals false. Then if game object dot is in level builder scene, which will be in etggames.yom2.extensions, is in level builder scene. So only if it's not in the level builder scene do we want to show the loading screen. That prevents us from doing anything. And then we can set this equal to true. And then later when we unload the scene, once it's finished initializing the game. Oh, Tat is back. She is absolutely freaking out over seeing her dog like she does every day. Should we get her in for the end of the stream? Let me commit my code. What? So many changes. Oh, it's just the metadata files. Okay. Imported audio and shit. Ah! Alright. George, let's say hi to Tat. Come say hi to Jorge. Ni hao. Tat. Hello! Take your AirPods out. Come say hi to Jorge. He's watching my live stream. He wants to say hi to you.
Hi, Jorge.
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 Also, the presence of a girl in my video. Can you just duck a bit? Will just increase my views. So.
A fit one.
Oh yeah, that's true. Actually, we do need a fit one. He says hi, Tat. Very interesting quality of. Oh. Yes. Keep it up.
What about Trudy? A dog will really just add to it.
Yeah, I already showed her. I can't milk the dog, unfortunately. Too much. Alright, fellas. Alright, fellas. It's been real. Rethan has bitches. I do have bitches. Just not that thing. Ugh. Alright. The lag is real. You're real. Keep it real, famalam. I'm gonna go roll a fat J and edit my video. Because that is fun and life is fun. Life is so much. It's time to be real. Oh shit. Wait, George, do I have you on Be Real? I swear I don't have you on Be Real. Mate, get Be Real. Get Be Real. You can see everyone's miserable life. It's actually good because like you see how miserable everyone is. It's not that like bullshit Instagram. It's not miserable. It's just like they're just getting about their daily lives. It's just like oh he's just doing normal shit. What you just you don't post. Well, if you don't post, you can't use the app. Mate, post, respond it. Just like literally, just open the app, take a picture of whatever's in front of you, and you don't even need to. Like everyone just like takes pictures of their face like this. Like, but that's Ryan. Ryan? I don't know. How do you say his name? Saleh. I think he does Mecheng. Stay on stream, you'll post it. Alright, that's fine. Just for you, how hey. It takes like, their servers are really shit. Like it takes like a minute for it to upload. At least from my phone. I don't know if like this is the problem with everyone. But like honestly, they should just use fucking Firebase. Trudy! Trudy! Hello! Oh, it's so grim. Boing! Oh, right back at me. Have you posted it yet? Jorge. Jorge. Jorge the whore. How many people are watching? Oh, 2 people on YouTube and 1 person on Twitch. Wow. Wow. Alright, let's see. Oh, very nice. That is pretty cool, mate. You're looking rather fit, I have to say so myself. Ladies and gentlemen, press F in the chat if you think Jorge's looking kinda thick right now. Oh. Glad you're here. Add me on Be Real. Making my game about memes. I'm developing my soon-to-be-released game about memes. The goal is to document and revive all memes since the dawn of the internet. Ye Olde Meme Game 2 is a level builder game where players create and share their own levels. Hey, no! Yeah, Suspicious Man. You got a fan. You should start a YouTube channel. Hey, I'm sure Suspicious Man would subscribe. I'm 100% sure of it. Wouldn't you? I mean, he's 48th in Saudi Arabia at the game Osu. You know, you want to stay on his good side, quite frankly. Alright, I actually am craving a Fat J right now because I've spent like the past 2 weeks fixing bugs in my game and I had to stay sober for it because you have to think while coding. Yep, he's in Saudi. Right. I also need to eat some food. What should I eat? I should have got a fucking burrito. Oh, wait, I have a stir fry I'm gonna cook. M&S pound stir fry. Delicious. Alright. I'm gonna end the stream here. It's been real. Have fun in Brackley, Jorge. And have fun in Saudi Arabia, Suspicious Man, lol. Goodbye.